Now, delivering change and managing the runtime aspects of your API portfolio, so you go to the effort of producing your APIs, you get them out there, and that's only the start of your journey. You want them to be consumed, you want them to be long living. So dealing with how you deliver change and how you react to service outages is becoming increasingly important. And what we're seeing based on the survey data is that organizations who are applying techniques like contract testing are able to recover from service outages more quickly compared to the overall sample of respondents. So the percentage of respondents who reported 1 hour or less for service outage recovery was similar for both groups. But as I mentioned, organizations using contract testing had fewer respondents reporting recovery times of half a day or more. Now, it could well be, if you're applying those techniques, that there is a high potential that you're experiencing less outages overall, which could explain the figures a little bit more. But in general, what we're seeing is that most organizations are able to recover from service outages within 2 hours, and that's a significant proportion. So it's 64.5%. So I think that's pretty encouraging. And if you're interested in DORA metrics like mean time to recovery, I really see this as being a positive indicator, because of course, the quicker you can recover typically, then the better it looks from a delivery and operational performance perspective. Nevertheless, of course, there is more to the DORA metrics than just mean time to recovery, but I also feel contract testing does help there in general across other aspects like lead time for changes, deployment frequency, and the overall availability of your APIs, because the likelihood is you will have less breaking changes getting out there.